Hello, this is Pradeep from Mindfair Solutions. Today I will be showing a small and simple demo for Git hooks. Like in day-to-day life, we go through many scenarios where these hook mechanisms get into play. Like one of these is like suppose the general functionality of a clock is to like just to go around and tickle around and show you the time, but suppose somebody sets an alarm to for something for some time. So generally what happens is that when you set an alarm, you say at during this time give me a bell. Yeah. So the while the clock is doing its own functionality, and but when it reaches the time when the alarm is set, then it's kind of a hook which comes into play and the alarm bell rings. So this is very like one of the most common scenario which happens in day-to-day life. So there are many other scenarios. So hooks are also very similar. So when you do any git operation, so there are few hooks which they just hooked into the flow to perform certain action. So for this, let's do some examples and let's see how they work. Okay, let's just create a simple repo first. I am setting up a bare repo which is uh, recommended while setting up a repo. So my repo is there, got created. uh, Let me clone one of the user repo. Like I will be cloning this repo to just create one account where which can be used generally to add or edit files, or which is generally a git workflow. So I will be cloning this centralized repo. So for this I just need the clone URL, and is as I'm doing in my local, so I can just give this only, and I'm at the same location, so I can just give this this location here and the directory name. Suppose it is a demo user. Okay, so my central repo is this one and my one of the user repo is this one. So let's get into the repo. So into the hooks, you can see already there are like hooks defined in Git, but all these are sample files. So for every most important actions, they have a hook which can be hooked into the flow. So let's edit one hook and let's see what's happening. Suppose I just want to I will just add a file here. I have just added it. I'm not doing anything. Let's add it. First of all, I need to go into the directory. Yeah, now it's added. Let's commit it. Now you see, while committing, I am getting a message, please enter the commit message for any changes. So this is the general message which is there in the Git, which is showing up. Suppose you want to edit this message. So how can I do that? Let's come out of this one first. For editing this message, so what I will do is that let's go into hooks and pre-commit message. Where is that? Yeah, this one. Prepare commit message. Now let's copy this one. I don't want to change the existing file, so I am just copying this, and I am the sample so that it will work, it will be hooked up into the flow. Yes, I want to change it. Now let's edit this one. So we have all the things, like this is the default file which is provided by Git, but I don't want so many things, just I want to display a small message. Let's remove all this. Let's keep it simple. So this one, so actually the language here are the scripting language, so you can use any one of the scripting languages here. So let me save it and let's commit it again. So now you can see I have changed the message. So my hook is, like, my hook is working and it is hooked up into the flow, and when I am committing this, so my the original message which was there, it was changed to this one. For you can go ahead and play with many more things, and I really found this URL very helpful, that Atlassian Git. So it actually describes you and explains the Git workflows and hooks very precisely, so you can go through it. I will also add this URL in the video notes, so you can go through it. So this was about a very simple demo about Git hooks. Hopefully it helps you, and if you have any questions or suggestions, then please add a note into the video. Thank you.